everybody. This is Avenue Hotel.
Ninang Hoticho ba? Na-enjoy?
The chicken tastes good. Say hi to my brother. Show your face. You're shy. You're shy. Time to try the iced tea. Right, Kuya?
Nag-review na ng products sa YouTube. Tawa ko na tawa. Gusto niya yun.
Dip it in the sauce.
Lumaki na kasi. Ito. Hindi kami nabili sa Amazon. Tapos ang review siya review. Tawa ko sa kanya. Tamang pandemic.
It's still so yummy.